Good morning. So I'm just doing some cleaning this morning. Me and my buddy. Somebody woke up. So we're gonna feed her. So baby is up and she was screaming her head off. And we're feeding. Oh, there she is. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna have some lunch.
Mommy.
Yep. So I'm gonna nurse her and then feed the other boy some lunch. Yes, boo boo. Thank you. I'm coming. I'm coming. Are you coming? Up the hill. She didn't almost say your name.
Yes, she did. She said Algo.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
She didn't.
Algo.
Sit down. Sit down. Let's look at your homework. So the kids are home from school and we're about to do some homework with Erica. Say hi.
Hi. Let me think.
So we're about to do some homework. So we're gonna go do homework with Erica. Hi, Yomi. Hey, you not happy? Kids are playing in this like indoor gym place. It's cold outside, y'all. We're already in winter jackets. So the kids are playing inside this afternoon. Yeah, you getting ready for a bath? Yummies.
Daddy.
Hey.
I got a great.
Naya?